3.3.4 Solve story problems based on addition and subtraction of decimals and whole numbers. Justin is trying to determine if he has enough money to buy a new video game. The game costs $54.79. He started the day with $200 in his bank account. Now, looking at his receipts, he has spent $87.35 at a clothing store, $42.79 at a party store, and $25.68 at a gas station. Does he have enough money to buy the video game? If so, by how much? If not, how much more does he need to buy? So let's see. He wants to know, this is the amount left or remaining. So remaining, because he wants to buy the game for $54.79. Okay? So he started with $200. So he starts with $200. But then he pays money. He has to pay his receipts. Okay? $87.35. So $200 minus $87.35. Okay. So, yes, we're going to have to borrow from there. And that becomes a 9. Okay. And that becomes not fun, right? Because that becomes a 9. 9, 1. Right? So this is a 10. This is a 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. Lined up to decimal places, 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 8 is 1. And 1, there's 0 here. There's 0 in the hundreds place, so that would be 1. 112.65 after he paid his clothing store. Okay, so this is the clothing. Now he has to pay at the party store. $42.79. So minus $42.79. Okay. So we have to borrow it. So this is the party. So this becomes 15 because we have to borrow. This becomes a 5. Okay. And 15 minus 9 is 6. 5 minus 7 can't do that, so we're going to have to make that a 15 as well and borrow from here. Okay, so 15 minus 7 is 8. We've lined up our decimal places. 1 minus 2, we can't do that. That becomes 11. And we're going to borrow from here. So 11 minus 2 is 9. 9. And 10, or 10 minus 4 is 6. So $69.86. Okay, is what's left after the party. And then $25.68 for the gas station. So $25.68. Still has to pay $25.68. Well, we can already tell by just mental math that he's not going to make it. It's going to be in the 40-something dollars. But we need to know how much. So the answer is going to be no. No, he doesn't. But we got to find out now how much. So this becomes 16, and this becomes a 7, right? We're borrowing 16 minus 8 is 8. 7 minus 6 is 1. 9 minus 5 is 4. And 6 minus 2 is 4. So $44.18. Now we need to know, does he have enough money? So the answer is no. How much more does he need? He needs $10. So let's actually find out. So $54.79 minus $44.18. Right? Because this is the game. And this is the gas. So this becomes 1, 6, $10.61 he still needs. Needs $10.61.